Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm heading into the city to check out a couple of luxury stores, see what they've got. So I thought I'd take you along with me. I've also got some dinner plans and that's why I'm kind of dressed up a little bit. I'm celebrating because I have resigned from a job that I was at for 8.5 years. So anyways, don't worry, I have another job already, so it is all exciting news for me. But I like to celebrate milestones because I am someone who doesn't make decisions very lightly. So yeah, it's kind of a big deal for me, especially after a long time. So yeah, I don't want to get into too much details about that because otherwise I'm gonna bore you guys. But yeah, that's what I'm up to and I can't wait to see what is in the stores. I did actually go into Chanel last week to check out if they have their 21P collection, but they didn't actually have anything yet because Australia gets everything last because we're probably so far from everywhere. Yeah, so I'm hoping that they've got a couple of items in by now so I can check out a few things, and yes, let's go. Okay, so I got to the city now. Just gonna go head into Chanel first maybe and see what they've got.
It's very cute actually, nice colors as well. For a change, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is a beautiful one.
Oh, never seen this before.
No, it's new.
Is it new?
Yeah.
Part of the new collection. I
Part
haven't
of the
seen it
new
on
collection.
the website.
Yeah, it's good. They don't put ugly things.
This is really beautiful and sparkly. This is so cute. This is from this collection too.
This is new.
Oh.
And we got a blue one as well.
Oh, beautiful. interruption. I did actually pick something up from the 21P collection from Chanel, but I forgot to mention it while I was out because I just got really excited. I haven't bought anything from Chanel for at least the last 2 years, so I'm really excited I got something. So I'm gonna be doing a haul next week and unbox this one as well. So do stay tuned for next week's video. Now back to the vlog. Just walking past Hermes. I am not going into Hermes today because I don't have an appointment and I don't want to line up. I've had these bags on the window for a while now. So Kelly 25 return and the Birkin 30. Oh my gosh. Look at the Doraemons. I have to talk to my friend Kat L. And there's more Doraemon. This is the Gucci inside David Jones in Sydney. It's so cute. It's a bag with all the Doraemons in it. Zoom in. Look at those cute loafers. The little wallet. Kat, I am so taking you in this. And more. They even have luggage. Fendi Baguette. Still not a huge fan, but that wicker one's pretty cute, but it's kind of big. Still love those bucket bags. Dior. New season Lady Dior. Hi, the thank you. The Chanel. This is so pretty. I am obsessed with this mini Lady Dior. It's so sparkly. This is the black one. Just as sparkly. Might be a little bit more evening appropriate. So guys, I really like the Dior bag. The lady said, the sales associate actually said that they're having a price increase on the 1st of February, which is the day after tomorrow. So she's actually holding the bag for me until tomorrow. So, and apparently the price rise happens globally at the same time. So if you guys are eyeing a Dior bag, I suggest that you go in and check it out. Anyways, I don't have a lot of time today. I've got to head to dinner now, so I am going to sign off here and I will see you in my next video.